How to sign in to TurboTax account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your TurboTax account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in turbotax.intuit.com or simply enter turbotax.com. After that, press an enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of TurboTax. Here in this page at the right side, you will be able to see this interface. Here, you may also click on the sign in button at the top right, or you may just enter the phone number, email address, or the user ID associated to your account in this field. Once after entering, click on the sign in button right here. After that, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, you may also tap on this show icon at the top right in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. And in case if you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot password link just below this text box. And then you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. Once after resetting your password, enter the correct password in this field and click on this continue button. Here alternatively, you may also get a text code in your registered phone number and then log into your account. Simply click on this continue button if you prefer using password. After that, you will need to wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have been logged in or signed into your TurboTax account. Now you have the access to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in or log into your TurboTax account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.